70 ते 75% लोक RTIचो योग्य वापर करतात जाल्यार 20 ते 30% लोक RTIचो गैरवापर करतात अशें केंद्रीय मुखेल म्हायती आयुक्त हरिलाल सामरिया हाणें सांगलें. शुक्रारा हरिलाल सामरिया हाणें गोंय राज्य म्हायती आयोगाचे वेबसायटीचें लोकार्पण केलें. पाटो पणजे म्हायती आयोगाच्या कार्यालयांत जाल्ल्या ह्या कार्यक्रमा वेळार हरिलाल सामरिया उलयतात.
And there are many fellows who put even 1,000 applications. In a year they put 1,000 applications. But in spite of that, I say such type of fellows are there, 20 to 30% are there who are misusing this act or who are finding a job out of it, or they may be means exploiting the officers or the system. But I can say 70 to 75% there are genuine applicants are there. And because of the genuine applicants, when they put the application and when the applications reaches to us, at least our level, I have seen the department becomes active. They become very active and they immediately give the information. They take out the file. So the file movement is there. Then they find out why, means what was the problem with this gentleman, why the information was not given, or even his problem means he may be having his personal grievances also. So redressal of grievances is also being done by the RTI Act actually.